What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a reel in Videoleap. I'm well aware that you can make reels in Instagram and edit them there, but it's just not as much control, and I also have trouble doing that. So I usually use Videoleap to make my reels, and I found it very useful and a couple tools in there that I really liked a lot. So I wanted to teach you guys and show you guys how to do that today. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll be showing you a little secret that maybe a lot of you don't know about on how to get the music from Instagram and just use it to as an outline to layer your videos in the timeline. So I guess, for example, to say if you're trying to make a video and you're already using Videoleap to edit your videos and you're trying to time it perfectly, but you keep messing up, so you have to go back into the app and make something a little longer or a little shorter just to line up with the songs. That I'm going to show you a really cool, easy way to do that, but at the end of the video, so stick around. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I believe this video is coming out before my giveaway or during my giveaway. I just posted a giveaway today and no one's got it right yet. So if you, well, I guess when this is posted, it's probably Monday, which means it was 3 days from now. Go check those comments and see if anybody's won yet, because if nobody's won, you still have a chance. And maybe if you're watching this video and you want a little hint, it is something. It's a noun, it's a person, place, or thing. I'll say that it's a thing. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this video. Yes, I'm wearing different clothes. Get over it. It's the next day, well, it's actually a few days later. Something happened with my audio, so I have to re-record this part, but that's all right. So let's do this. So one of the main reasons why I like to use Videoleap to make my reels is because there's a lot more control inside these apps. So for example, I made this reel. And as you can see, the pictures are moving every time they land. They're kind of falling into the frame and shaking. I mean, I had to do that all manually. I don't know if you could do that in Instagram. You might be able to, but I don't know how to. So I used keyframes, which are down here at the bottom. And basically you pick a spot and you end it in a different spot. And as it moves through the video, every single one has one of those. So it shakes a little bit. This one zooms back. That's something that I'm not able to do inside the app, so this is something that I did here. And then when you're creating a reel, obviously try to make sure your phone is filming this way, or your camera, if you're using a DSLR camera, regular camera, is filmed vertically, so that obviously there's less work you have to do and it fits more in frame. You can kind of see what you're doing, so that makes it easier to start with, is by filming correctly. But when you put it inside the app here, you're going to want to go to Canvas down at the bottom, hit Format, and then I already have it, but you can do it in 9:16. You're gonna press 9:16, so that'll be the perfect size for Instagram Reels, and then you can lay it out in here and have more control with it, like I said, by moving the frames. This was just one example that I did here where all the frames are kind of moving. I didn't use any transitions or anything, but I could if I wanted to. So this is another one that I'm making that's a tutorial. I already posted this one. It didn't do very well, but I still did it because it's all about being consistent. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, is being consistent every day with my reels on Instagram. And some of them are good, some of them are not. So that's just how it goes. But in this one, as you can see, I layered over a the timeline, so that when people are watching this, they can see the timeline at the bottom. And that's something that you can do when you're using Videoleap, is that you can make tutorials. This is just things you can't do in Instagram. So it's really, really nice to use an app to make your reel. Let's see if I have another example. This was another one we did yesterday. And that's another one that I tried to do in Instagram and realized I was not able to make the pictures slide over like that. That's another one where I used keyframes and had the pictures sliding over. I layered them as this one, which is just having the middle one moving, and that's all stuff that I couldn't do in app, so I did it here. So yeah, as you can see really quickly, what I did was I had this one slightly zooming in. Let's see, I can remove the keyframes, and you can see that it's just a regular picture that stands still, but when I add the keyframes in there, kind of zooms a little bit, makes it a little nicer. And then every picture has a little keyframe as well. This one slides over, this one slides over. The two above and below stay still, but the middle one slides up, giving it a little bit of motion. But it all happens so quick that it just gives you a little bit more freedom to be inside of Videoleap to create your reels. And if you're still here at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you my bonus tip. So as you can tell, I have the sounds in here already, and I don't believe you can download them from Instagram or anything, so you're probably wondering how I got those. Well, all I did was I opened up the Instagram app, I go into Reels, such as this one here. And when I find the right one, I go in here, which I'm already doing, and I just press screen record. I screen record the whole thing, and then once I get the audio that I'm looking for, I stop recording and I go back into Videoleap here, and let's see, just get a new project to show you. All right, this is one where I took one of the songs right here. So okay, so this is the video, and the way to strip it from the video is you're just gonna click on the clip, go over to audio, and then press unlink, and then you can actually delete the clip and the audio will still stay there. If you delete the clip from your phone, the audio will disappear, just FYI, but don't do that until you're done exporting this, you know, done with your reel and you exported it, then you can delete the video from your phone, doesn't matter. But here, let's get a little bit more precise. We can scoot this over here, and then now the song starts right where you need it to. You can end it where you need it to as well. And that just kind of gives you a little bit of a baseline so that you can do things like this and line it up before, you know, you put it into Instagram. Because I know there's a lot of like guessing work where you're like, oh, I gotta make it this, it's just needs to be a little bit longer if you're using out of app. And then if you're trying to use in app, you only have the, you know, the scale option on there where it just makes the picture bigger and fit the whole screen. You can't really like make it move around or shake or do anything like that. So that's one of the main reasons why I use Videoleap for making reels. So with that song, actually, I made a little mini vlog this morning. So yeah, it just made it a lot easier for me to edit that. I tried to see if it was easier. I did both. I did it in Videoleap and I did it in Instagram to see what was easier. And I had recorded a bunch of clips for this mini vlog, and some of them being a minute long. And I'm sure, you know, it wouldn't have been such a big deal to like crop through it in the app, but I couldn't do like my zooms like I wanted to do. Like I said, like in some scenes, I'm like slightly zooming in just a little bit to give like my static shot some movement. So that's another reason why I like Videoleap for editing my reels, not in Instagram. All right, guys. Well, I really appreciate you watching this video. I hope this helped out a little bit. If it did, please let me know. If you have anything to add to it, also please let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please hit that like button if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, then hit that dislike button twice so I really know you disliked it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel if you're into like tutorial videos, vlogs, van life, pretty much just cool videos. So if you're into cool videos, hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching this video on Monday, the 20th, then nobody's won my giveaway yet on my last vlog, so go check that out. Check the comments, see if anyone's won. If someone's won, I'll pin a comment at the top saying that someone's won, but right now nobody has won. So head over to my last vlog and check to see if anyone's won. If they haven't, comment down and see maybe you could win. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.